Welcome back, everyone. Happy Monday. Today we are revisiting one of my favorite styles, and that is this wig from AshimaryHair. You guys, this style I did over a year ago. It's such a beautiful style, especially if you're looking for your New Year's hair, you're looking for your holiday hair. You may still have time to actually get it. Right here is their water wave texture. I'm going to link it below in the description box. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for joining my community, my Precious Squad members. Really excited to build a community here on my channel that just focuses on girls just having fun doing hair and learning as we go. Today we're going to do a couple of hairstyles with this. I'm going to show you the install, how simple it is out the box. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment. I haven't heard from you guys in a little while. Let's get into today's video. So straight out the box, this wig has everything you need and want. You don't have to do anything to it except take it out and put it on. This is their IVISI-Strap 360 water wave. And honey, today this wig is in 26 inches. 26. Not 24, 26. Other length options for you available on their website. It comes with pre-bleached knots. It comes with pre-cut lace. It also comes with a comfortable cap, so you have that invisible strap that's not bulky in the back. Everything about this wig is super comfortable, even with it being this long. So let me show you how I installed it and how I styled it. All right, so a year later, this wig still features the same lovable features, which is the invisible strap. As you can see, it also comes with the strap that you can take in and out. Add tape right here at the ear tab area so that you can lay it flat without glue. Just sliding this wig on, you can automatically see why I love this style so much. It smells amazing, just like the first time I got it. The water wave, oh, just gorgeous, just so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use both straps today, tighten it up. Now, normally I use one strap, but because I don't want to use harsh glues on my hairline, I want it to hold real secure. I'm gonna take the invisible strap, bind it on each side and pull it very tight, like so. Perfect. Tuck it and do the same thing with the other side, just like that. Next, you want to just remove the paper from the tape and then just press it down so it'll lay right there, so you don't have to worry about that area flapping around when you use the tape. Look at this hairline. Now, this is why I really love this wig, because the hairline, everything just flows so natural without me doing anything to it. So the only next step I would take with this hairline, as you can see, it looks good out the box, is just adding a little bit of melting spray. Today I'm going to use the lace melt, and this one is a mousse, very gentle on the hairline. Now in your kit they do provide you with more tape, so whenever you finish wearing your install, if the tape comes up, if it's messed up, of course you can add more to that area and get the same effect. So this tape here is just like the ear tab tape, and then this tape here is for the hairline around here if you want to go full install. They also give you their edge band, which is going to come in handy right now. I'm going to shake this up, and what we're going to do is just squirt a little bit around the hairline, because if you put your head up, you do not want to see the lace, and they did already pre-cut the lace for you. Now you can cut it back a little bit further if you need to, because too much lace on the forehead definitely shows the lace. Just a little bit around that hairline. And I like the mousse for my curly and wavy textures because, I don't know, just because. And tie it down. The hair is gorgeous, as you can see. Like, look at the hair, just beautiful. One thing I do want to try, and I think I'm gonna do this in my members community. If you haven't joined, you should really join it, because I post things that I'm not gonna post publicly in that community. So if you want to see like behind the scenes of the hair, how it performed, extra reviews of the hair later, chill with me, hang with me, possibly see my lives that I may do. Definitely become a Precious Squad member. You can do that by joining, and it's cheaper than a Netflix subscription, I promise. If you just want to stay a free subscriber, I mean, that's also great too. But I think I'm going to color this hair. I really want to see what this water wave would look like in a nice brown with some highlights. To do that for my Precious Squad members and show you guys how to do it safely so you don't ruin the color of the hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at lots of flow, lots of body, very soft and lightweight, for it doesn't feel heavy. All right, and this is the results after. It looks really good. good. Okay, so you want to make sure you let that hair mousse dry down as much as you can. If you need to, you can go over it, and it's solid, y'all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, highly recommend, okay? If you want a wig that's super easy, convenient, look good in pictures, this is definitely it. And I will be sure to put the link in the description box for you, because there may still be time to get it before the holiday. Really cute hairstyles you can do. It's super deep, so you can do like a side part if you want to. You can do a middle part. As you can see, this wig came with no part, which is also a really great style if you really don't like having a part and you just want that flip over type of look. Okay, I'm gonna separate the hair. Now this is optional. You can do this however you want. I'm going to take this, I'll put in a link in the description box just in case you want to do the same thing, but I'm using it to create a nice bun because it just hooks in the back like so. I'm going to hook it, and then I'm going to spread the hair all the way around, and it creates the perfect top bun, as you can see. Isn't that nice? I like it. This is style number 1 that you can do for the holiday. Really pretty. Yeah, I can't wait to add some highlights to this. Oh, I can't wait. My last one I didn't get a chance to do it with, but this one definitely going to do it and share it with you in the members only. All right, so for style number 2, I'm going to leave that top bun like that. I'm going to take the hair and put it into a ponytail that's in the back. Just bring it up, because with this 360 invisible strap, you can wear it all the way up. And I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to twist it like so. Just do one big twist. I'm just gonna wrap it around and pin it with some hairpins. Make sure you have that comb tucked really good before some strands down. And you can also wave them up with just a little bit of water or hair mousse, like a messy updo. I'm gonna do a part. A little bit of hair mousse to waken up the hair, just smooth everything. Look how the hair mousse just make those come together, take away the little bit of frizz that I created from separating the hair. We talked about this last week on how just the bare minimum of product works with the water wave textures. So if you want one in highlight, last week I shared the water wave in a highlight texture if you like your highlight. So you can go back to my previous video if you like color, but this one only comes right now in this color. All right, so again, this wig is from AshimaryHair. It's one of my top styles from them that I truly love. It will be linked in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there. Don't forget to subscribe, join the community if you would like, and also like the video. Leave me a comment. Is this one of your favorite textures? Have you tried it? And I will see you all back in my next video.